This section is one of 3 on enterics. Specifically, it's going to be looking at the MAC and EMB plates. MAC is McConkey and EMB is eosin methylene blue plates. To isolate enterics, you often use selective media. The enterics to start with are gram-negative. They are bacilli shaped. They are often found in the intestinal tracts. This is true also in humans. They tend to be non-spore forming. So if you find them in a sample, it's often indicative of fecal contamination. So the enterics, you can use the selective and differential media. As I mentioned, the McConkey and the eosin methylene glue or EMB plates. The McConkey agar, it's selective because it contains some bile salts that will inhibit the non-enteric bacteria. It also has a crystal violet dye in it that's inhibitory to gram-positive. So really the only thing that should grow on it are enterics. It's differential because now you're going to have something added in there to make things look different. That's what a differential is. So the colonies that are growing, you look at the color. The lactose fermenters are going to have this red or almost fuchsia color looking to them. Non-lactose fermenters are going to be colorless on them. This is the McConkey plate. It has kind of a reddish color or pinkish color to it. And on this one, you can see that it is the colony or the bacteria that grew. You've got very good growth on there. Number 1, that tells you that it's an enteric. It is a gram-negative. And because it is the reddish on there, you know that it is a lactose fermenter. On the eosin methylene blue agar plate, it is selective because it does contain dyes in it that once again will inhibit your gram-positive bacteria. So just rule of thumb, just back of your mind, keep in mind that your McConkey and your EMB plates, only gram-negatives will grow on. The McConkey also, only your enterics are going to grow on. And then you use the differential aspect to determine whether or not it's a lactose fermenter or not, depending on the color. The EMB, it's just going to inhibit the gram-positives, so any of your gram-negatives can grow on it. It's differential from the standpoint non-lactose or non-sucrose fermenters are going to appear colorless. Your lactose or sucrose fermenters, those are going to be a very dark color. Sometimes they almost look black or a very dark purple. Now this media is kind of different in that E. coli is very unique the way it grows on this plate. It will have a metallic green color to it. And so here's the EMB plate that has E. coli growing on it. You know it's E. coli because it just has this very pretty, shiny, like I said, it's a metallic green color to it. It's very, very distinctive and unique. You see that on an EMB plate, you automatically know that is E. coli that is growing there. But your EMB and your McConkey agar is used, specifically you're trying to grow your enterics on it.